Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing good. I found those little erasers here, which is baby Jesus, his parents, and all of the things that it's used for Christmas, and I want to do something with it. My camera didn't really was filming what I did first, so I'm just explaining it to y'all. I just put some clear resin into my molds, and I put like baby Jesus and all of the other ones into the resin and let that cure. So for the background, I took the green and the blue mica powder and poured the background from it. I mixed up my mica with the resin, and now I start pouring my sky portion of the background. Now I'm filling up the rest of the mold with the green color and everything else but sky and like meadow would really make this whole thing too complicated. "24 hours later, I filled up my molds all the way with some white resin just to make the colors pop a little bit more on the front. And this project is almost finished. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. It's always nice hearing from you. And I hope you had just as much fun as I had doing those. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.